Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get infinite money using JavaScript. Now, first step is you're going to want to create a folder obviously, so mine's called Moneymaker. There you can see. Then open cmd command prompt, type npm init, just click enter on everything. That should create your package.json file, and then type code and dot. You can now close this there, and then we're going to want to install a package, compress array. Okay, now create your index.js file and type on cr equals that require compress array, and then we're going to want to create a function to decode from the database, so you can then get infinite money basically. In short, it's very complicated, but next thing you want to do is just type from atop leaf string and then split split and then dot map. I'll do that, and then type car, and here you go, that's the code. Now I'm gonna skip to when I'm finished with the code, just so I can let you guys copy it, because it's gonna take a while to code this whole thing, and so I'll be back once I've finished the code. So I'm back, I finished this code, you guys can copy it. Okay, I'll just scroll down a bit, you guys can pause and copy it when you need to. Anyway, so basically now just run the code and it should work. As you can see, my money's going up quite quickly, already at like 50k. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe for more tutorials.